Breaking news coming in. This is related to centre's new regulations to deal with caste-based discrimination, and as you can see, centre has now put out a big defense as far as the UGC's new regulations are concerned. The Education Minister, Dharmendra Pradhan, has clearly stated that there is no bias as far as the new laws are concerned. He has said that he will not be allowing any sort of a misuse of the law. It has been clearly stated by the Education Minister that they will have fair use of the law. Remember, the UGC draft rules have created a stir in the country as some protest against it and some in support of it, while the centre is firefighting. Let's listen to what Dharmendra Pradhan is saying.
मैं एक बात बहुत विनम्रता से आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं, किसी को उत्पीड़न होने नहीं दिया जाए, कोई भेदभाव नहीं होगा, कोई डिस्क्रिमिनेशन के नाम पे किसी को भी मिसयूज करने का अधिकार नहीं रहेगा। इसमें यूजीसी हो, भारत सरकार हो या राज्य सरकार हो, इसकी दायित्व रहेगी। मैं आश्वस्त करता हूँ, उसको जो व्यवस्था हुई है, भारत की कुछ भी व्यवस्था हो, संविधान की परिधि के अंदर होगा। और ये जो विषय आई है, ये तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की निगरानी में व्यवस्था है।
And joining us now is India Today's Piyush Mishra. Piyush, clearly the minister is allaying any fears of the misuse of the caste discrimination regulations and how the removal of the penalties could impact.
Well, that's right, Anjali. And this statement has been made by Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, looking at the kind of protests those are now taking place on social media. Also, there's a massive campaign which has been run by a section of students. Remember that the government was with few laws, and in these laws, it has been mentioned that any kind of discrimination against the students from OBC, SC, ST community will be dealt with strongly. And after that, there was some sort of protest which was faced. People from upper caste had raised the objections on this, saying that if this happens, then they will be targeted. To that concern, now Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is coming out, and he's allaying all the fears of these students, saying that nobody will be allowed to misuse any kind of law, and if anybody does that, then actions will be taken against that person. So a message now coming in from the government to the protesters that nobody will be allowed to misuse the laws, and it was very much needed also by the side of government to ensure that
Right, Piyush, thank you very much for those details.